So now I'm cooking our chicken gnocchi. For that we need to pour a spinach and cream sauce first in the pan. Make sure pan is hot. And you don't want to let it burn. And then you add about half a spoon fresh pesto in. Keep stirring. While waiting, we're gonna put that gnocchi in a hot water about 3 minutes. And now we're gonna add some confit chicken in the spinach sauce. We're gonna keep stirring it until it gets thick and nice. It's about ready. We're not gonna cook anymore, otherwise it's gonna get really thick. So we need to add some fresh spinach in the sauce. Now our gnocchi is ready to come out from the water, and we add in a spinach sauce and we season it. And then we're gonna make sure seasoning is enough. This is ready to go. And then we're gonna put some shaved parmesan on the top.